Hi friends, welcome to Navanivashow.
I'm Navneet.
I'm Nivedita.
Today we are unboxing iPad Air 3. Here we have the iPad Air 3. iPad Air 3 is brand new. We ordered it in online. So here in this one, the one that we bought, we have 256 GB. 256 GB. This iPad Air 3. So let's open it. Let's unbox it.
So there's a way here to open it.
Yeah, supposed to pull it like this.
You can't run.
Then you pull the whole thing.
And we will open it in 3, 2. Oh my gosh, this is like so hard. Same with the Apple computer. Okay, you got it. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my gosh, no way. This is really
space gray.
Yeah.
256 GB.
Now we're gonna open it. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. I literally say this is awesome.
Wow, look.
Okay, so before
this iPad is
so
cool.
amazing. Okay, so now let's tell you how it is.
This is a small camera.
Let's open it. Okay, yeah, first we're gonna say here. So this
is the papers, the guide. You use it to learn. The guidebook.
And you got here. You got the instructions you need
Then
and
here is the logo stickers for the back.
And now you got the charger.
The charger is cool. Yeah, the charger is cool.
And here's the wire.
It comes with a mini one.
And here's the wire.
The wire. It's small.
So let's keep this away. Oh, we gotta put it all back. Okay, just fine. Okay.
Yeah, this is the body of this is the back. But this one is space gray.
So yeah, this is space gray.
iPad Air 3. We have iPad Air 4. It's cool. But this is the one that
this is amazing. Really, look at this one. This one's so cheap. If you take it back, you can only put it back.
But look, it's so slim.
And so amazing.
So slim. So slim. At the bottom here we have a lot of holes.
Okay,
Here the awning button. This is the awning button. So huge. Where we print the skin.
Let's open it, right?
So yeah, very cool.
Okay, we're gonna keep it right in the. We're gonna keep it so softly. Okay, then we're gonna open it up.
Oh my.
Oh my gosh, this is so amazing.
It's black.
Let me gosh. Oh, this is so hard.
Slim, so slim. It's black.
It's so amazing. Oh, great.
It's fresh. Like not
fresh.
Friends.
Oh, look at the camera. Actually,
so
Okay, there we go. We're gonna.
Oh my gosh! Look.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Wow!
This is so big.
This is for the pad. We use it for the pad. For the Apple pad, there's charging point. This is where you charge it in the Apple. This button here.
And you guys know the logo? So
yeah, it's so cool. Especially Apple logos are so cool.
Yeah, you must try one of this.
Yeah, and Apple softs are so costly and so
now you're gonna put it here and on it.
Look, it's so tiny camera.
The cameras are tiny, but so very
clear. And look,
so clear.
So
tiny. My God,
here
that's
we have
amazing.
two on button, the sound buttons. This is for increasing and this is for reducing. So I like the Apple sounds because they have their own beautiful logo.
Yeah.
Like Samsung doesn't, they just write it. But this is so cool.
And they even wrote an iPad here.
Yeah, small iPad. This is so cute. It's so thin. This is a slim one. Like iPad Air 3. This is iPad Air 3. It's so cool. So like we can use an Apple pen for writing it. But
you can also use it.
Yeah, we can use a finger. It's wide.
It's awesome.
It's more than an inch.
Like, it's so
12 inch. Yeah, 12 inch. Here's the on button.
I think here's up.
This is on button. Here's the.
Before
Then let's try to on it.
It comes like it's on it. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. This is awesome. First, always so the logo because any new phones, we gotta log in.
Gotta go wait for some time.
Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
Wow.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, misters.
Hola.
Hola.
That's Spanish.
Hello.
Hello.
There's like a lot of hello.
All languages.
Bonjour, French.
Bonjour.
I'm gonna say. Understand? This is Chinese. This is
What
not
they're
Mandarin.
doing?
They're just finishing it. They're saying who you know who.
It's like
it
it's
is.
supposed to.
Hello. Or they starting. Oh
Yeah.
my English.
English.
Then
Select your country to
Nigeria.
region.
We're probably Nigeria. So
Then
we're gonna take
choose.
go for. There's like a lot of countries.
Then go to I.
India. India is like down.
Yeah, for the I. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, India.
Okay, so you know if it is like Nigeria to speak this language. Hello.
Wait. Let's choose America.
Yeah, America is like
Yeah,
English.
America is full
Yeah.
of English.
Yeah, like you know every countries have the.
So guys, we choose India. But I want to show you something. Here we have the herd and the McDonald Island. McDonald Island. Maybe they gave a lot of McDonald's stuff there. Let's choose India. Here we have the quick start, set up manually. We will come back after setting up the manually. So we'll do the setup manual later. But now let's see the chargers. The charger. There's this. Let's remove this case.
You're gonna take this side here, right? I'm gonna keep this away.
Yeah. Then this is the case. Wow, so small.
Oh my gosh.
Just set it up. This is a charger. Yeah, this is a charger. And
It's
here,
so like.
and here we have the another charger.
Yeah.
This is a connector.
Now this is the.
Oh no. This is so cool. It's the one that brings the electricity. It joins.
This is the wire.
This is a hole that this passed through. So we have to put it in.
And this is the wire.
You can just pack it so mini, so small.
Like a handbag one.
Then this
is the wire.
one. Here, we have a small locks kind of.
Yeah, you know this. They put it so it doesn't go everywhere. This is like small, so small. You just connect it to too much wires, right?
Okay, this is charger.
Wow. I think we just put this one in here.
It's so thin.
Then we put it into the iPad. This one. Then we connect this to
look at the spring.
Okay, we connect this here.
Now we have to connect it all the way here. Here we go.
Oh, it turned.
Yeah.
It turned.
That's how we charge it.
Oh my
But
God.
I didn't connect it to the electricity. Wow, it's so cool. Let me show you.
This one just turns beautiful. And then like on the side, there's like a black, and it was so amazing.
Wow, it's so cool.
Yeah.
Apple stuff.
Okay, let's do the magic. So now it's charging, as you can see. It's the best. Yeah, it's like this is I guess I
so cool.
So amazing.
Yeah, it has a lot of accessories. A lot of stuff.
Does it fit in here?
Yeah.
I hope does it. Oh,
Exactly.
well, I don't think it's because of the charger.
It's cool.
It's
too.
so amazing.
Yeah.
So you gotta set it all up. That's when you can only use it.
So we'll come back after setting it.
Oh, yeah.
So friends, I finished off with the all manuals.
Say good on it. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna do the password. We put all the settings before we on it. So
Yeah, this
here's
is
it.
inside.
So amazing. You can actually go. You can ask Siri. Hey Siri, what's the time now? Just a minute.
It's 11:13 p.m.
It's correct. The time is 11:13 p.m. See? Now it's 11. See?
So we can just look. There's
Siri helps you to do anything.
anything.
Hey Siri, open camera.
How about this?
Oh my gosh, it worked.
So yeah, this is amazing.
It's cool. Here's the way that you clean it. Press here it goes.
Yeah.
It's cool. It has a lot of external features. Like here's where you increase the sound. Here's where you reduce it.
There's like, you know, in normal phones, you can just on that, then you can reduce it like that. But this one is another different method.
Right, most of the
And the close part, you can just go to Safari and get your thing in here.
yeah, whatever you want.
Yeah,
Instagram,
you can create.
Then here's the something cool. Zoom in.
Oh, that's amazing.
Then here's the way you add a file, like add when you want.
Another
You
one.
can add as much as you
Oh,
want. Here's the one that we left down.
You
Then
take-
you can close it.
there you go.
It is a way that we close it back.
Yep. And there we go. So that's all about iPad.
That's so cool.
Yep,
Very
so cool. There's a lot of entertainments. So guys, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.